Okay, this is page 282. And we are only on this page going to do 3 problems. We're going to do numbers 27, 28, and 29. We're going to skip the rest of the page. All right, let's check it out. Number 27 reads, multiple representations. Use the information in the table to write and simplify an expression to find the total weight of the medals won by the top medal winning nations in the 2012 London Olympic Games. The 3 types of medals have different weights. So that last thing it says right there, they have different weights. That's really important. We can kind of pretend that the gold medals would be the heaviest, and then the silver, and then the bronze. It doesn't really matter, but the fact is that they don't weigh the same. But what you can do to figure out the weight of all the gold medals is that you can add up all the gold medals that the United States won, plus all the gold medals that China won, plus all the gold medals that Great Britain won. And then you can multiply that by the weight of a gold medal, which we can just call G. And then we're going to figure out, we're going to add that to the silver medals. And the silver medals would be the number that the United States won, 29, plus the number that China won, 27, plus the number that Great Britain won, 17. And that would be multiplied by the weight of a silver medal, which would be S. And we're going to do the same thing with the bronze medals. There was 29 and 23. And 19, and that would be multiplied by B, the weight of the bronze medals. Now it says to simplify, and what we can do here to simplify is we can actually go through and figure out how many gold medals were there. 46 plus 38 plus 29. 46 plus 38 plus 29. There were 113 gold medals. And then how many silver medals were there? 29 plus 27 plus 17. There was 73 silver medals. We're going to add that to the number of bronze medals. There were 29 plus 23 plus 19. You get 71 bronze medals. And so the best answer here, it's both parts. It's showing that we would add up all the gold medals and multiply by G, add up all the silver medals, multiply by S, add up all the bronze medals, multiply by B. We get 113 gold medals, added to 73 silver medals, added to 71 bronze medals. All right, let's move on. Number 28 and 29 says, write an expression for the perimeters of each figure, simplify the expression. I want to remind you that perimeter means you add up all 4 sides. So if you add up this plus this plus this plus this, you get the perimeter. If you add up this plus this plus this plus this plus this, you get the perimeter. So I'm going to do one at a time here, and I'm going to start with number 28. And if I add up 6 mm plus 3x minus 1 mm plus 6 mm plus 3x minus 1 mm, this is kind of like combining like terms. Do you notice all the mm's? We can call it millimeter. 6 mm. We've got 6 mm. And 6 mm, that's 12, and then minus 1 would be 11, and minus 1 would be 10. We have a total of 10 mm. And then we have some x's we can add. We've got 3x and 3x. What's 3x plus 3x? It's 6x. And then that's going to be added together. The answer to this one is 6x plus 10 mm. And that should make a little bit of sense, because if we go through and highlight 3x and 3x, that's 6x. And then if you highlight, I'll change color to there's 6 and 6, that's 12. Minus 1 is 11. Minus 1 more is 10. So that should actually make a lot of sense. All right, let's go ahead and check out the next one. You can kind of do the same idea on this one. Number 29. What can we add up? We've got x plus 4 is 4 inches. And we have 4 of those, so I can add up x plus 4 inches, x plus 4 inches, and x plus 4 inches. And we can combine those. X plus x plus x plus x, that's a total of 4 x's. And then 4 inches plus 4 inches plus 4 inches plus 4 inches, that's 16 inches. So if I add up this side, this side, this side, and this side, I'm good. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 x's, and I've got 4, 8, 12, 16 inches. And I can't combine them if you're like, well, how come you kind of add up the 4 and the 16? Because this variable is x and this variable is inches. Now I've got these to deal with. I've got 10.2 inches and 10.2 inches. I'm going to add that to 16 because it's inches, 10.2 inches and 10.2 inches. That's not going to be too hard. 16 plus 10 is 26, plus 10 again is 36, and 2 plus 2 is 4, it's 36.4 inches. So what do I have? I have 4 x's and 36 and 4/10 inches. So that should make sense. Cool, good job. You are done with page 282.